Hey everybody, welcome back to Prime Day number 2. Been scouring for more deals, thought I'd share them with you. And just so you know, I'm going to put the links to all these items down in the description. So if there's something you can't live without, you can find it down there. All right, on to the first item. Here we have the Blink Outdoor 4 wireless cameras. There's 3 outdoor cameras and a sync module as well. 61% off, only $74. If you're looking for some security cameras, this is a good option. 2-year battery life too, that's pretty darn good. All right, on to the next item. Speaking of Wi-Fi, next up we've got the TP-Link Decos. This Wi-Fi 6 mesh system is pretty awesome. We have one at the dojo and it covers the whole entire building with a good strong signal. If you're looking to set up some wireless, these are a great option. 34% off too, can't go wrong. If you're in the market for a webcam, this OBSBot Tiny 2 is a pretty fantastic little camera. I have one sitting on top of my monitor right now. The thing's pretty awesome. Not only is it 4K, but it has tracking, so if you move to the side, it follows you around, up, down, hand gestures, you can make it zoom in, make it lock on you. It's a pretty neat webcam. If you're sick of your blurry little camera you have now, get one of these. They're really nice. Great picture quality. And 20% off, it's only $142. Another great deal I found is these Amazon smart plugs. If you've got devices that you want to turn on and off remotely, maybe you have an Alexa and you want it to integrate with that, these plugs will do it. I got a few smart plugs around the house and they definitely are kind of a nice little feature. 48% off, $12, pretty good deal today. All right, next up is the Lavoie air filter. If you've got pets or allergies, this is a great little device to have. I've got one sitting over here in the corner of my office, and I've got one upstairs as well. They're pretty darn quiet. It's even got a night mode, so it goes whisper quiet. You can't hardly hear the thing running at all. 15% off today, $84. It's cheaper than I paid for mine. It's a good deal. You should get one. All right, next item here is the Elgato Stream Deck Mark II. I've got this one, and I've also got the larger XL model, which is this one. Let me tell you, if you've never used one of these, they're a real game changer. All the normal stuff you do every day, instead of like fumbling around, clicking through different websites and all that, click of a button takes you right there. The Stream Decks are not just for streaming. I use it for just everyday use. Looking back on it, I think this is one of the best purchases that I've ever made. This thing is fantastic. Love it. 20% off, $119 for the Mark II. The XL is 15% off, $211. If you never tried one of these, it's a must-have. They're awesome. Do you have an old smart TV or one that is just dumb and you need to make it a smart TV? Grab one of these Fire TV sticks. 49% off, $17. Throw Plex or Jellyfin on it, and away you go. Take your old TV and update it with this. Another great thing with these little guys is you can just take it with you. So if you're going off on vacation or something, you just throw it in your luggage. When you get to the hotel, plug it into the TV, and you're all set. And at $17, can't go wrong. It's a fantastic deal. You're looking for an e-reader? The Kindle Scribe is a pretty great product. My wife has one of these, absolutely loves it, uses it every single day. I think the best thing for her is that she can now take notes in the book, right in the book. It's pretty fantastic. The 32 gig version today is 25% off, saves you $100. If that's not big enough, you can go up to the 64 gig version and that saves you $110 and it's only $25 more. All right, here's another one of my favorites. This is the GrandStream wireless access point. I have these in my house. I used to use Unify products, but I've switched to GrandStream. It's commercial grade equipment, lower cost. The stuff's fantastic. And $89, it's a good deal. All right, last 2 items. It's kind of a 2-for-1. If you're like me and drink a lot of tea, the Hamilton Beach electric tea kettle is a fantastic deal today. 49% off, it's only $19. This one's kind of nice. It's all stainless steel inside. It's got auto shut off and boil dry protection, which is fantastic. Personally, I have a different one. I have the Cuisinart model, and this one is a bit more pricey, but it's got some really nice features. This one's 23% off, only $99. What I like about this one, if you can see it here, it's got different modes, so you can do delicate teas, green teas, white teas, oolong. Even has a French press setting too for coffee. And it's got a keep warm feature, which is really kind of nice. So if you want to get caffeinated, today's the day to buy it. And like I said, all these items, the links will be down in the description. So if there's something that caught your eye or something that you can't live without, it'll be down there. And there you have it. Just wanted to share some of my favorite items that I use myself around the house and other great deals that I found. So I thought I'd share the love with all of you. All right, back to your day. Have a good one.